In this video, I'm going to show you how to download movies from Disney Plus to your mobile device. Now, in order to do this, you will need the Disney Plus Premium subscription. This will also work if you have the Disney Bundle Trio Premium or the Legacy Disney Bundle. Either one of those will get the job done. So if you have one of those subscriptions, then you can do this process. So all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and locate the movie that you want to go ahead and actually install. You could also download TV shows, by the way, but basically you just want to go ahead and search for whatever you're trying to download. Like, let's say, for example, we wanted to download the Lilo and Stitch movie. If you do have the Disney Plus Premium subscription, you're going to see a button that does say like download. So I unfortunately don't have it because I only have the limited subscription. But if you have the premium subscription or the trio subscription, then over here you should see a button that says download, and then all you got to do is just press on download, and then it is going to download your movie. And if you want to go ahead and access it later, like whether you're offline or something like that, maybe you're trying to download movies before like a long flight or something, that is definitely something that you could do. But in order to access your downloaded movie, all you want to do is you want to go to the bottom menu, then press over here where it says downloads, and then your movies will appear right over here. And then from there, you guys can go ahead and watch the movie. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.